Hi viewers, how are you all? I'm Kanchan Bhatt, I'm from Mumbai and I'm a teacher. Today I'm going to talk with a wonderful woman and she is from Andhra. Her name is Mrs. Pavani and she did master in biotechnology. Right now she is living in USA and she is a wonderful mother also. So let's have talk with her.
Night.
Yes,
And
yes.
your night, that means morning for me.
Yeah,
For
whenever you send me message, most probably I read in the morning. And when I send you message, most probably you read in the night. Is
yeah,
it?
that's true. That's true. We have that difference, time difference.
Yeah, it's okay. But how is the weather there?
Yeah, it's very pretty hot, hot and cold one today.
Okay, so it's a mix. Like how means if you're talking about the temperature, so how was the temperature? Means it's
That's I
between
got.
25 to 20.
Let me check that one. 77 Fahrenheit. Let me translate that into degrees. Okay, give me 2 minutes. I
Yeah,
will. Yeah, 25 maybe.
yes.
20 to
Because you
26.
told me that it's not hot and it's not cold, so it's just like
25.
between.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I
20,
just guess so. Okay.
yeah.
So, Pavni, you are also learning English, and I am also learning English,
Oh,
and we are okay. So I said something wrong.
learning stage, madam. You're not learning stage. I'm
You
learning
are
stage.
not.
You.
You are not at learning stage. You are above the learning stage.
No, no. I'm beginner level, but not you. You
How can you
are.
say that? How can you say that? I don't feel so because I watched your last video, which was with Arif, and you were speaking so well. And I was so impressed that you are saying that I'm a beginner. I don't agree with you because I don't think so. Because you are with my level and I am with your level. We are at same place, and maybe you are better than me
No, no.
because
You like that. I'm not agree with that because I have seen your videos, right? I have seen your channel also. You
mhm.
speak fabulous, really. You are
Okay.
funny teacher, right?
You are saying, so, okay, fine, I agree with you, but I'm telling you the truth that still I'm learning and still I'm polishing my things because sometimes, somewhere I do mistakes when I speak fast, that time I do mistakes. And with sometimes without thinking, I just deliver the words without thinking, without thinking, like I do not think about grammar and just deliver the word. Sometimes you have to be aware what you are going to say. That means you have to keep watch while
That's
saying.
that's true. But English our second language always. That is
Yeah.
India is not non-English speaking country. That is the main problem. We don't
Yeah.
have that English speaking environment. That's why sometimes we fumble while speaking. Sometimes we make mistakes while speaking with others. That's true. Learning and polishing our English is keep on practice, right? Is
Yes. Yes.
long journey.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. And I agree with you because it's not like that you are today you are speaking and tomorrow you stop talking. It doesn't work actually. You have to keep your journey continue until or unless you do not get your you do not get your achieve your goal. Like you
yeah.
should be perfect while speaking, and once you get that goal, you can do whatever you want to do. You are comfortable with everyone. You can talk with native speaker also.
That's true. That's true. In language, you know that it has different synonyms. You
Hmm.
know, one word or two word, three words, but that single word it has more synonyms, right? Keep on practicing, we will get that words without
Yes.
hesitation. without thinking. We can speak English in flow, like river flow.
Okay, I'm going to ask one question. You are from English medium school or your regional language?
Yeah, I did my schooling in my regional language. I learned English as a second language.
Okay. When did you start speaking English?
Last 3 4 months.
Okay,
I
but you are doing very well. If you haven't spoken before and now you are speaking, it's really very good thing because you developed this skill within 3 4 months. So really, it's appreciable.
Yeah, yeah. You know that I learned English and I learned English for marks and grades. I'm somewhat good at grammar. Okay, we
Okay.
all are good at grammar. While coming to the speaking, it needs practice. That's it.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And this year, I took resolution for any cast I have to improve my English skills. That's why I'm still working on it. From January to from January to
Mm-hmm.
March, I
Mm-hmm.
just learned and I have seen so many videos regarding to what grammar part and phrases, idioms like that.
Mm-hmm.
And month of mid of March, April, this is May, and start speaking with others and my husband also. Here,
Mm-hmm.
our neighbors all are different. They some of number what we have
Mm-hmm.
neighbors, right? Those are from India, but they
Mm-hmm.
are coming different states: Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and then we are South Indians. I cannot speak Hindi. I can
Mm-hmm.
understand, but I cannot speak Hindi. Okay,
Okay.
we have only language that is English. We have to talk or we have to speak with each others in English only.
Yeah. Mm.
That is the plus point here to me. And every day I speak with them in English. Maybe that is also main reason to improve my skills.
Yes, yes. And they have to speak with you in English because they do not understand your language. So they
Yeah,
have also this reason they are communicating with you in English, and you have also only one option that you are only speak English. Otherwise,
yeah,
you cannot use your language. So
yeah,
this way
that's
you are continuously speaking English through morning to night. But whenever you go out, maybe in
yeah.
home also, whenever you talk to your husband, maybe you're using English language. Are you?
Yeah, yeah, sometimes mostly.
Okay.
Just I'm fascinated about to learn English
Yes, yes.
because early days when I came here, I have seen so many problems. I feel ashamed also while
Hmm.
speaking with midwives and doctors and pediatricians like that. So I took decision, right?
Hmm.
Because I have to speak. Language is a language. It is a communication way. English is a communication way. So by practicing, we get more and more. That's why I took that decision. Even though I speak mistakes while speaking, I do mistakes. I can make
Hmm.
mistakes. Even though I continuously speaking, whether it is wrong or right, and some uh, I have conscious before speaking. To be
Hmm.
frank, a little
But
bit conscious.
right now, talking with me, are you conscious?
I'm what conscious means avoid while speaking with others. Yeah,
Aware.
avoid.
You are
Yeah,
aware. Okay.
mm,
Means
yeah.
you are not. Okay, I thought you are talking about nervousness. I thought like that, but you are not nervous.
Not
You
nervous.
are just conscious that
Yeah.
whether I'm speaking right or wrong. Okay, so I would say don't think of that. Just remove this thought from your mind and just speak up whether you are speaking right or wrong. Okay, you just think that I'm communicating with the people and people understand your English. It means your work is done. Okay,
Yeah,
Problem
that's
is there where you are speaking, but people cannot understand you. There is the problem. But if you are talking with someone and they can understand you easily, it means your work is done. You have achieved your goal. My brother always saying he is living in USA, and
Mhm.
he always said the your English is perfect. Why you are so worried about it that you have to be perfect in that? You want perfection in that because
Yeah,
you are not going to become a news reader. If you want to become a news reader, then you go for that. But you are why you are so frustrated and irritated that you have
yeah,
to learn English perfect.
yeah,
So they
that's
always
true.
say, just speak up like normal, the normal people, how normal people talking to each other. Just do that things, deliver your convey your message, and that's it. Your work is
That,
done.
yeah, that's true. That's true. But sometimes we have conversation with native speakers. Sometimes they cannot understand our pronunciation and our conversation. Sorry,
Mhm.
what did you say? Could you please tell
Yeah.
me again? That time we feel, oh my God, did I make mistakes or not? We
Okay.
have that thought, right?
So I would say why you are facing this problem because we discussed in this video. I talked to my brother also and on YouTube, and he said to me when he was new in their area,
Yes.
that time he
Yeah.
was speaking English, but nobody can understand his English. So someone suggests him that you speak slow. If you will speak slow, people will understand. Means native speaker will understand what you're
Yeah.
trying to say. If you will speak at your speed, maybe you are speaking speed and they do not understand your accent. But when
Yeah.
you will speak slow, maybe they can understand your accent properly.
That's that's true. They We think that native speakers speak rapidly. No, they don't speak rapidly, but they connect the words and each and every sentences and the single words.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we feel they speak very rapidly. Did you get my point? They don't
Yes.
speak fast. Okay, they don't speak. They don't give gap in between the sentences and between the words.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we thought like that they speak
They are
very
speaking
fast,
fast. Yes,
rapidly.
yes. They are also human being. How much fast they will speak? They are just like us.
Yeah, sometimes they use most what idioms
Idioms.
phrase.
Yes, yes, yes,
That's
yes.
what we fumble to understand that one. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything you would like to ask to me?
How is the situation over there, Maharashtra?
Now it is under control. The
Oh,
situation is not bad. It was bad earlier, but now the situation is stable.
by God grace, good. Good to hear that one. And then, did you get vaccinated?
No, vaccination are not available right now, so we are waiting for that. But other states like Gujarat, people they have vaccinated most of the people, but in Maharashtra they are facing problem because the vaccination are not available.
Between states and states, interstates in India.
Yes, it's differ actually. State to state, it's differ. But because the minister are different, not to state to state. Here someone else and Maharashtra someone else. So he is providing and how he is providing, I don't know.
So what? Maybe PM, former Chief Minister of Gujarat. That's
Maybe
why.
because he always won from that place, so win that from that place. So maybe he's available vaccination for the people, and we are from Maharashtra, so maybe we are struggling for that. What about your place?
Here,
Hmm.
and 90% people got vaccinated.
Arey
I'm the
wow.
first vaccination also.
Mm-hmm.
Got
Mm-hmm.
my first dose vaccination, and I'm gonna get vaccinated in second vaccination on
Mm-hmm.
June 8th.
Okay. Okay. So, is there anything you would like to ask?
Um, you are a phonetics teacher, right?
Yes, yes. I'm phonic teacher, not phonetic teacher. I teach letter sound.
Letter.
There are alphabets, 26
Uh,
or alphabets. So
yeah,
they have their sound. But if you ask about the alphabet, there are 26. There are 26 alphabets. But if you ask about sounds of that alphabet, there are 42 sounds are there.
42.
Huh.
Okay. Then,
If you're talking about sound, okay, and the right age is 3 years to 4 years. Right age to learn phonics.
yeah, that's true. That's true. By speaking, why our pronunciation is so different from foreign country? I mean, native speakers and the non-native speakers because of sound of word.
Yes, yes.
Phonics. We
Yeah.
must learn
Suppose here you have to say cat. So in Indian will say cat, but foreigner will say cat. Cat.
cat. Yeah. Yeah, I
Okay.
just love to learn this phonetics to improve my pronunciation. Some words I have my mother tongue influence on my speaking, of course, okay, of course,
Of course.
yeah. Sometimes I say of course,
Oh, oh.
like that. I just want to work on it phonetics also. It's
Yes.
the
Say the
basic.
word listen. Listen.
Listen.
Ah, you have to work on listen also.
Uh, what?
I know few South Indians. Those make this kind of mistakes. I always say, listen, no listen. It's a listen, listen, and say young, young, young.
Young.
Young is correct. You said correct, but mostly the South Indian people say young, ng. I don't know how they pronounce, but they pronounce very differently. Young word.
Um, Maybe our mother tongue influence. We have different regional language.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Because
yeah.
India has 29 states. It has different languages.
Yes,
Uh,
yes. True.
you are working in that field, phonetics field, and then English teacher. That's why you can improve that one. But
Yes.
others.
Yes, you can say the I'm the lucky one because I'm the teaching. I'm teaching this thing.
I heard that from your video. You are from UP,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
but it's mostly you are from UP and Bihar and some states
Yes,
pronunciation are different.
same. Most.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
but
Yes.
I'm not find out you are from UP. Not you are from Maharashtra. Like
Yes. Now I am from Maharashtra because
yeah,
I am not going back there. My mom is also going to shift here, so I'm not going to back there. That place is, yeah.
that one lucky one then.
Yes, yes, I'm lucky one. But I love my place where I born and brought up. I love that place.
Yeah. Here, I have seen one thing. My neighbor's son, okay, he's 6 years old. Okay, he's studying in first grade over here.
Mm-hmm.
Before 4 years, he came to here from India. That time he didn't speak anything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now within 8 months of schooling, elementary school, LKG, he's
Mm-hmm.
very good English. You know that within eight months.
How it is? How it will
Because
happen?
because of environment.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So don't worry. You are also getting this kind of environment. You will be fluent very easily. I'm telling you. After few months, you will talk like cat, kanchan.
Do you believe that? Do you
I
believe
know. After some months, you are going to talk like that.
that? Maybe. Let's see.
And if
Then,
you're not, but your son's going definitely going to talk like that.
yeah, my son, he imitates everything.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
you said like earlier, 3 to 5 years is the best age to learn anything, right?
Yes, yes. That's why I'm working on my daughter also. My daughter is just 1.5, so I'm working on my daughter also. I always saying good things to her. Come here, go there, sit here, like that. I'm always talking because your son will get that kind of environment, but my daughter is not going to get that environment. So I have to work on it. I have to be behind her.
So that you will create that environment
Yeah.
surround.
My husband speak, but you know, we have also our language, like Konkani. We speak Konkani in house. So we also think that our language is also very important. Children should know our mother tongue also. So we have to work on that also, Hindi also, and then as well English also.
Yeah, I must say what before 10 years, the kids learn any language. If you if you if you provide different language environment,
Mm-hmm.
okay, surrounded them, they will they can grasp that language. They can learn even 4 languages before 10 years age. I
Let's
think.
see, because in our house we are speaking four languages: English, Hindi, Konkani, and Marathi.
Oh,
Four languages. We are using four languages, and she is hearing four languages from us. So let's see how it works. Does she speak which
yeah,
language she is going to grasp?
yeah, I can
Let's.
understand, but the early stage they have transition between the languages. Which
Mm-hmm.
language I should speak. They have that confusion. They have that dilemma, and after that, after 7 years, 6 years, they can learn easily. They can differentiate that language difference also.
Okay.
But before 5 years, they have transition between the languages. I'm sure that because I have seen here my friends' daughters, right, and
Mm-hmm.
my kids, they speak English as well as their native language.
Okay.
Sometimes they are mixing the two
Both.
languages. That's why they have that confusion definitely before 4 and 5 years, and after that they can uh, differentiate between two languages. What is what?
Okay. That's good thing. Okay. So Pavani, it's time to say goodbye,
Goodbye.
and we will talk again. And it's really nice talking to you. You share so many like important things with me. I don't know. I talk with you anything important, I don't know or not, but yes, I really enjoy while talking to you.
It was a really nice conversation. I must say like that. We are girls, right? We are women. We can speak any topic anywhere.
Yes, yes,
Just
yes, yes,
one
yes.
topic and it floated. It
Nobody
diverted.
is saying we are meeting first time. If anybody can say this. These two are going to meet first time. I don't think so. They are talking like they are old friends.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. We have that frequency and drop up between us,
Yes,
right?
yes.
That,
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. But bye bye. Take care.
bye. Thank you. Have a great day.
Night. Night. It's okay. It's a good night for me, and have a nice day for you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, bye, bye.